lwa ttiimu 96 ezigenda okwetaamu mpaka ez'omulundi ogw'omunaana eza Rotary 5-a-side fundraising football tournament ezibeerawo buli mwaka bukwatiddwa olunaku olwaleero.
Group 5 Rotaract Group 5
Rotaract Club of Manyangwa.
Empaka za kuzannyibwa ku Lwomukaaga luno ngenda kuzomwezi 2 ku kisaawe ekya Philip Omondi e Lugogo. Ensimbi ezivaamu zakozesebwa okuyamba abo bonna abali mu mbeera embi.
45 Rotary clubs and 22 Rotaract clubs. So that presented us with an interesting challenge. We had to see how to fit everyone into the tournament, and so the options were to have a knockout tournament, to make it a knockout, but we felt that wouldn't be fair to Kampala Sese. And so we opted to retain the group stage format, but what we are doing this year is the groups for Rotary and Rotaract shall comprise 3 teams instead of 4. 16 groups for Rotary. The top team in each group goes to a round of 16, and then quarterfinals, semifinals, finals. For the corporates, they'll proceed to quarterfinals and semifinals. The rules were shared earlier.
Abel Chitaka, Salt TV, Omunyo.